Welcome back to our channel Indra Max Academy. Today our topic is to find the LCM by using division method. In the previous video I posted how to find the LCM by using prime factorization. Today division method. In division method how to find LCM. Division method. Example, you can take any two numbers 10, 15. In this method, those two numbers you can write at a time. Two numbers you can write at a time. Those two numbers are possible in the same table or not, first check it. In this method also you can take two table, three table like that. Those two numbers are possible in the same table or not, check it. 10 is possible in the two table, but 15 is not possible in the two table. So leave it. I am taking now 3 table. 3 table 10 is possible? No, it is not possible. So you can leave it 3 table also. Those two numbers are possible in the 5 table. 5 table 10 how many times? 2 times. 5 table 15 how many times? 3 times. Now 2 and 3 are possible in the same table? No, because 2 is possible in the only 2 table. 3 is possible in the 3 table. Those 2 are not possible in the same table. So leave it. Now LCM equal to, you should multiply now 5 table and next 2 into 3. 5 2s 10, 10 3s 30. That means the LCM of 10 comma 15 is 30. The LCM of 10 comma 15 is 30. And we can take another example. Example 2. In example 2 I am taking 3 numbers. That is first number is 24, second number 36 and third number is 48. Okay. Now 3 numbers also same method. 24, 36, 48. Those 3 numbers are possible in the same table or not, you can check it by using the divisibility rules. Okay, I am using now divisibility rules. Here 4 is there, that means 1 plus 4 is there. 4 is there means that is possible in the 2 table. This 4 is possible in the 2 table means this full number is possible in the 2 table. Okay, 6. Last here 1 plus 6 is there. 6 is there means that is possible in the 2 table. That means 2 3 is 6. Next in the third number 8. 1 plus digit is 8. 8 is possible in the 2 table. 2 4s 8. So those 3 numbers are possible in the same table, that is 2. I am taking now 2 table. In 2 table 24 how many times? I don't know. Up to 2 tens 20. All members know up to 2 tens 20, but so many members don't know 24 how many times. So you can do division. In 2 table 24 how many? 2 ones 2, 2 minus 2 0, 4 bring down, 2 2s 4, 4 minus 4 0. That means how many times it came? 12 times. 12 times. Okay, in 2 table 36 how many times? For this also like that only. Do division. 2 table 2 ones 2, 3 minus 2 1, 6 bring down. In 2 table 16 how many times? 8 times. 2 8s 16. Remainder is 0. That means how many times it is possible? 18 times. In 2 table 48 how many times? Like that only do division. I am writing directly now. 2 24s 48. Now again you can check it. Those 3 numbers are possible in the same table or not. Okay, last here 1 plus 2 is there. 2 is there means that is possible in the 2 table. 2 ones 2. Next in the second number 8 is there. 8 is possible. 2 4s 8. And third number 1 plus digit is 4. That is possible 2 times. 2 2s 4. So these 3 numbers are possible in the 2 table. That's why I am taking 2 table. 2 6 12. 2 9s 18. 2 12s 24. Again you can check these 3 numbers are possible in the same table or not. Possible means you can take. Suppose 2 table I am taking 2 table. In 2 table 6 is possible, but 9 is not possible. Okay, leave it. Now I am taking 3 table. In 3 table 6 is possible. Yes, possible. 3 2 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4s 12. Okay, now I am taking 3 table. 3 2s 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4s 12. Now 2, 3, 4. Those 3 numbers are possible in the same table or not, check it. 2 table, 2, that is possible in the only in 2 table. But in 2 table 3 is not possible. But in 2 table 4 is possible. Now you can take at least 2 numbers are possible in the same table means you can take. Because 3 numbers are not possible in the same table. At least 2 numbers are possible means you can take that table. Here 2 and 4 are possible in the 2 table. That's why I am taking 2 table. In 2 table 2 how many times? 1 time. In 2 table 3 is possible. It is not possible. So like that only down right. In 2 table 4 how many times? 2 2's 4. Here 1 came. 1 came means leave it. These 2 numbers are possible in the same table. No. 3 is possible in the 3 table. 2 is possible in the 2 table. So leave it. Now LCM equal to. LCM equal to, first you took a 2 table. Next again 2 table. Next 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Now should multiply. 2 2's 4, 4 3's 12, 12 2's 24, 24 1's 24, 24 3's 72, 72 2's 144. That means our answer is 144.